My name is Matthew Reed. I'm a technician for Expedited Service Partners and a driver. I didn't even realize this kind of work existed that much. I enjoyed it a lot more than just pushing gas through a pipeline and making big companies money. At least this way I get to help. I get to help people out. You go into a disaster and you got all these people that's lost everything, and all you're trying to do is build it back, give them power, give them AC, give them heat, whatever they need. I don't know. It's better. I've been to about 3 or 4 of them. The main one was Asheville. That really put the perspective together for me on what this company does and how many people they touch without even realizing that they're helping that many people out. You choose ESP over somebody else because we're more personal to you. We're not a big giant corporation that's just gonna send out what you asked for and be like, well, if it don't work, then we'll be there next week to fix it. If it ain't working, we're gonna get it fixed that day, that hour if possible. That's one of the things about being here that I've noticed. Piece of equipment goes down, we can't fix it in a timely manner within 15, 20 minutes. Phone calls already called, we already got something coming on the way. If it gets fixed in that time, cool, we'll put it on standby, or we'll just switch it out and bring that one back and make sure it's fixed. That's the main things, just getting the customers what they need all the time, I just see there's so much room to grow here. I literally can do whatever I want to do. If I want to get into sales, I can get into sales. I can do some marketing stuff, obviously, and I can be back office stuff, but I like being in the field, going out, getting hot, sweaty. I guess when I get older, I'll probably want to kind of get out of the sun finally. Well, I didn't grow up with a lot. My mom never had AC in the car. Mom didn't eat. She fed the kids, Just seeing her do all that when we were growing up. I got 6 kids, so me having my kids, and it's I just want to give them everything I never had. I'll work every day for the rest of my life if I have to be able to leave something behind for them so they don't got to struggle when they start their life.